Hello and welcome to the channel. Welcome to the Seventh Heaven Junk Drawer. Today we're going to do a kitty litter dupe. We all know commercial pet products or kitty litter commercial products are fairly expensive to buy and use. Of course, anything for pets tends to run the wallet up a little bit. So today I'm going to show you a dupe product. And what it is wood fuel pellets. This is what it looks like, right? Okay, in a bag. I just put it in a white bowl so you can see them a little clearer. And they're wood pellets. And what they are wood fuel pellets for wood stoves is what they are originally for. But they make a great kitty litter dupe. The cats like them. They absorb very, very well. When they sop up with water, they basically break down into like a sawdust, or a damp sawdust is what you scoop out. Cats like them. They work great. Very effective, very efficient, very cost effective, like way cheaper. So where you can get them is at Walmart, Canadian Tire, any sort of, homeware store, hardware store, depending on what country you live in, those kind of things. The price is about anywhere from about $6.99 to about $8.99 a bag. The bag is a 40-pound bag. And this is what the bag looks like. So it is, again, Lacrete wood pellets. This is the original packaging it comes in. And wood pellet fuel, okay? And I'll show you the size. The size right here is the 40-pound bag, so you can see. It's heavy plastic. It's good plastic to carry. They store very, very well in the house, the basement, wherever you will want to store them. And like I said, they're anywhere from $6.99 to about $8.99 a bag. A 40-pound bag. They store well. The cats like them. The manufacturer is actually in Alberta, Canada. So it's about mid to northern Alberta. So you might want to look them up online. Lacrete wood pellets is where you can get them from. So of course, depending on where you get them from and where you live in the world, you'll have to just kind of navigate around to be able to find it if you're interested in trying it. But they do work very, very well. So just an idea for the kitty litter dupe. Way cheaper, very effective. Cats liked it, cost effective, and it works like a charm. So I just thought I'd like to put that out there and share with you. Maybe save you a few bucks. Anyway, thank you for joining me. Have a good day. Bye for now.